You know how all these people, like, they buy these big Anylevel trucks and then nobody actually uses them to do anything for some reason? You know, you've seen them at the truck shows, right? Yeah. Everybody buys beautiful Anylevel lifts. These lifts are like, they're like 40K installed. They even have airbags in the rear, and no one ever hooks up the gooseneck trailers. I got another one. This is was it Iceberg?
Iceberg?
Yeah, we decided to name it Iceberg. Actually, you guys decided to name it Iceberg. It's a 2022 Anylevel F450 Platinum, 30-inch JTXs, 42s. It's amazing. It's basically the Lamborghini of lifted trucks. The first thing I did as soon as I picked it up was hooked it up to a gooseneck to see if it would haul. I've been hauling for the past 3 days with it, all over the place. My rating is 11 out of 10. It's amazing, actually. Like, almost as good as Big Show, and Big Show is like the best hauling vehicle I've ever had. The only way that you're able to haul with something like this, if you buy a big custom Doolittle trailer that has like an aftermarket neck. Truck is not small by any means. Well, to us it's small, but normal people, this is a ginormous truck. With our custom lifted gooseneck, obviously it goes right into the bed, no problem. Doesn't smack the sides of the bed, so you don't have to put on a flat bed after you ruin your bed. I did that once. Overall, like, this truck is very, 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 very... trying to film a YouTube video. It's very usable. Very nice. I am very impressed. If my dad owns this place, okay. For the inconvenience, somebody literally kicked me out of a parking lot that's ginormous and not being used by anybody. Hi, sorry, I wouldn't be in your way if they weren't such dickheads. My favorite part about Anylevels is how usable they are and how easy it is to use it for everyday life. Exhibit A, we have this ginormous gooseneck that's really hard to, you know, hook up and unhook and stuff. So I'm gonna lower the tailgate. That is awfully tall because I am very vertically challenged. I'm only 4 feet tall, according to the internet. Now, much easier to hop inside the bed. They should make this Bluetooth. And then you want to unhook your chains. And then you're going to take your fully hydraulic Doolittle trailer. And just like that.
I'm so confused.
You're unhooked. That was it. It's literally that easy. Like, it took 5 seconds. With a normal truck, that would have took 30 million. If it was Brandon's truck and trailer, we probably wouldn't even be here yet. Honestly, it's like the best $200,000 that money can buy is an Anylevel. So I'm going to buy another one and then another one. I'm going to get two 2024, 2023s. I like the Platinums, but the Limiteds are cool because they're like numbered and stuff. He was number one. So I'm going to get two Limiteds. And then this isn't the biggest Anylevel they make. So this is a 0 to 13. All the way down, it's 0 inches of lift. All the way up, 13 inches of lift. They make a 4 to 17 inch lift for a 450, which there's only one in the country that has it right now, but it's a Lariat. I want the Limited, so I'm gonna have both of the only limited big Anylevels. Me and Aaron from Anylevel were like this. He said he'd only charge me $42 billion kajillion to do half of one. So should be able to call my dad, ask him, buy the truck, pay match him, Anylevels, 30-inch JTXs, obviously. And then because those ones are so tall, you can put 44s on them. And it'll be way cooler than this truck. And then there'd be no point of having this truck. Why did I get this truck? This truck was like the appetizer, and then the other two Limiteds will be like the main course. We had to buy Iceberg walked, so then the Limiteds could run. They also got horn blocks and train horns, and it has massive airbags in the rear. That's why it tows so amazing. We were towing the little, what do we call this thing? Little Stubby.
Stubby.
We were hauling Stubby today, but I'm pretty sure you could put Megan and another Megan on this truck, and this truck would tow it fine. That's the next step, is making it like super duper duper overweight and see if it'll tow it. Big 44-foot trailer with one truck on it, not a problem. Literally tows it like nothing's back there. Time is running out fast. Fear trying to take home the keys to Casper, my 800 horsepower single cab 4th gen dually, sitting pretty on some 26-inch JTX Ford dually wheels wrapped in 35-inch AM tires, 0 to 6-inch Flight Fab air ride lift kit, color match Alpha X headlights and tail lights, brown leather interior with a 1000-piece Starlight headliner kit, 800 horsepower deleted and tuned 6.7 Cummins with an S467 turbo, and tons of color match stuff underneath the engine bay, and so many rock lights you can see this thing from the moon. All you have to do to get entered is head over to shopgp.com, grab you a hat, a t-shirt, a hoodie, anything on the site gets you automatically automatically enter to win the truck and $20,000 in cash. Every $1 spent on the site gets you 5 entries towards taking home the keys to the truck. So don't procrastinate. Head over to the site, grab you any of our awesome products, and you might be getting a call very soon telling you to come pick up your new dream truck. Good luck to everybody. Enjoy the rest of the video. We're doing our monthly visit at Men's Customs. And also I bought a white truck for like the 3rd time in a row. I don't really like white. We're gonna make it unwhite. Jake, what are you doing? Oh my God, my Mini Cooper is almost done.
Almost done.
That's sick. It's like 1,500 horsepower?
Yeah, it's a 1,600 horse. S is for supercharged.
Is that a Miata? Sick. I do not have one of these. Is this yours?
Sadly, no.
It looks like something you would own.
No, I don't like Miatas.
You don't like Miatas? It's got a handbrake and everything.
The only Miata I like is on the other side.
Oh, the Viper. He calls the Viper a Miata.
What do you think about this?
It's pretty cool.
It's PPF.
It's PPS.
It's a colored PPF.
What do you mean? It's not a wrap?
It's not wrap. Technically, paint protection film, so it's completely different than wrap.
Oh yeah, it looks like paint. It's sparkly as hell. I like that.
It's the most expensive thing you can put on a car.
It's the most expensive thing you can put on a car.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a truck outside. Let's just wrap the entire thing in color PPF. Pretty snazzy?
It's pretty hard, dude.
Pretty hard?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, come here. Come send it in. So you're going to hit, at separate times, you're going to hit this one, and then you're going to hit this one.
Oh, for up and down?
Yep.
You want me to hop in it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's like an elevator. This.
Oh, wow. I thought it was already up. Pimping ain't easy out here, dude.
I like this button.
Yeah, that's your favorite button.
Yep, correct. You would love it.
I thought this was already up.
No, it was all the way down. Keep going. That's all the way down in the back. Now, as long as you don't turn, you can drive it like this. Yeah, or you will rip off everything.
What are these, 28?
30s and 42s.
Damn.
And they make a kit bigger than this. We were just talking about it. They make 4 to 17-inch lift, so it's like 4 inches taller than this one. You can fit 44s.
What color were you wrapping this one?
Pink? I don't know. Something that pops with the blue.
Yeah,
Let's just do the same color as that toaster over there.
Like trash bin?
I've never even... Are you working on this?
Yeah, it's our buddies.
What is he doing to that?
Wrapping it.
What color?
Stainless steel. No, matte black.
Oh. I was like, it's already stainless steel.
So they're going back and forth from going from like a silver. And I'm like, dude, it's already silver.
Yeah, why would you do that?
So they're like, we're doing matte black. And I was
Sick.
like, all right.
I can fuck with the matte black.
Actually, maybe by the time I see you, we'll have another one here that's going like matte red pearl.
I just don't like it. They're just not.
It's a rough one, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Some people like them. I don't know who. Someone needs to make one of these a dually, and then maybe I'd like it.
That's crazy.
It would have to be me, though, because I'm the only one that wants that idea. But comment down below. Buy a Cybertruck, make it a dually. Uncyber a Cybertruck. And then put a Cummins in it. Which one are you taking? The Anylevel or the Cyber? It's so ugly. I'm sorry. That's okay. I don't want to talk crap. That's a very beautiful truck. Who owns that?
Our buddy.
Our buddy. Yeah. Beautiful truck. But you need one of these. Alright, so because we are about to impulsively change the color and these headlights and taillights are white, who has a white Illuminati?
Grandpa.
Grandpa Farrell Production. So we're going to take the headlights out of these, which are beautifully colored. The headlights and the taillights out. Go back home, surprise my grandpa with some paint match parts because he's been dying to have some. Hey, can you wrap the grill or you want me to get it painted? I mean, I'm not going to take anything off because I don't work on trucks. So my stunt double, he's actually in the Cybertruck right now. He's hiding. He's going to come in. He's going to take everything out. I actually did. I didn't even do it. Yeah, I was joking about the stunt double thing, but can you do the headlights too? No? Okay, I'll just fuck myself.
Makes the detail job easier.
It does make it a lot easier.
Did you know that?
No, I did not. Actually, that makes sense on why it was like easy to wipe off. I just thought the paint was really nice.
Rare sighting of Gabe Farrell working.
So we could either paint these mirrors or give these to Grandpa and then go paint the stock ones.
Surprise.
Yeah, he thinks that we're gonna wait a couple of months. He was like, "You should paint match my truck," and I was like, "Yeah, give me like 2 months," knowing damn well I had a white Anylevel coming. And I was gonna steal all of the parts off of that first truck. Can I peel off your BF?
Full straight. This way. See how it works?
He says like this and does the exact same thing that I was doing, but it's working way better. I ripped it.
Gabe! You're fired, dude. Get out of here. Don't come back.
Yeah, you can't fire me because I quit. Hey Jake, can I have my job back?
Happens every time.
They do this every year.
I gotta find it.
It's okay, I'm good at editing. I can just black and white this. Actually, I'll just hold it on my face. This is made by Nosatech too, right? I've seen this color in person. I don't know why I'm gonna act surprised, but I don't really remember. I only saw it at nighttime, and I saw it next to like neon lights, and the neon lights were like glistening off of it. And I was like, bro, that's like the nicest paint job ever. And he was like, yeah, it's PPF. And I was like, what? Now we decided to wrap an entire truck that color. All right, finally found the color. Let me see.
Hold on.
Are you sweating? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm gonna make it.
I like
Oh yeah, that's sick.
Yes.
That's insane.
It's gonna look good.
Put it can we put it next to the blue? Oh,
That's my thought.
I think that's sick. I'm colorblind, but it looks pretty decent.
It's right in your color spectrum.
This is my grandpa Farrell Productions daily driver. He recently just retired, so he has nothing to do all day besides enjoy life. So I stole his truck really quick, and he didn't notice, mostly because he's in my backyard. I think he's in the back pond. Spend like 90% of his days now fishing in my backyard. He was here when I left for the gym this morning at 7 a.m.
Fishing?
Fishing. He didn't even tell me he was coming over. Lining all my old fishing poles that I keep at his house. These are 2. He has 6 more out there ready to go. So while he's fishing, I said I was going to wash his truck up. His truck looked a little dirty, but I'm not washing his truck. So yesterday we took the Anylevel to Mittens Customs to get rewrapped, and we're changing a whole bunch of stuff on the truck. I'm not really a fan of all white vehicles. I picture a white vehicle as a blank canvas to do something crazy, so usually I end up wrapping them. So we got these white color match headlights out of a 2022 F450 Platinum, and I had 2 options. I could either break these apart and paint match them the new color that we're changing to the truck, or I could give them to my grandpa. He just happens to have the same exact color truck. It's almost like I did that on purpose. He has some cool wheels and tires, some 26s, stock everything else. The mirrors are stock, headlights, taillights, grill, bumper, and now he's a big chrome guy, so he didn't want to color match all of it. We're gonna take out his stock headlights, throw in these color match ones.
That's gonna be sick.
That's gonna be baller. Color match mirrors and color match taillights. But he's gonna get very impatient and wonder what I'm doing. So we have like 10 minutes to throw these in real quick and then surprise him. Right about now is when I would call my stunt double and tell him to come take everything apart. Well, he's off today.
What you got here?
17 million clips that need to come off. I'm still not done. Oh my god, there's so many clips. Yeet. You know, I have like really nice power tools.
Yeah, what happened to those?
That's too easy. We're here for the games. Trying to get massive forearms this year. I don't know why people go to like college to be a mechanic. Like you can literally just YouTube everything.
Yeah, I mean nowadays.
I mean, if Brandon can take a whole motor out of a truck, anybody can. Why do you need this much bolts to hold on to anything? Like that was literally just a grill.
Supposed to be Gabe proof.
Who was calling me?
The stunt double.
Brandon. What?
What do you say?
He said my grandpa's walking over there. Close the garage and lock all the doors. Hello. Whoa. You can't come in. Why? Because we're working. Yeah. 17 bolts on this freaking one grill. We would be done by now. Fuck. One.
We still have 2 taillights, 2 mirrors.
You see that guy over there?
The beaver? It's kind of
What are
cute.
you looking at? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
You have like a birthmark or something, or a bruise. I was checking on my baby.
I was hopping off the rig and I fell down. I tripped over my cock, busted my elbow.
Woo. Now is this gonna be, are you strong enough?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. I hope he knows that he is the only human being I would do this for.
You wouldn't do this for me?
Fuck no. All right, so obviously these are very fragile, so you're going to want to hand tighten all of these bolts.
Yeah, they work. Good job. It's kind of like you know what you're doing.
If it ain't white, it ain't right. Super Leggera. F350 Super Leggera edition. We're gonna take this hood off and we're gonna put that Lamborghini hood up there on it.
That's fire. You breaking shit?
Garbage, I can throw it? No.
So hit my ride.
Hit my
Gabe's
ride.
garage edition.
That's a rare sighting.
Kind of been gone for like 17 years.
Didn't you break it like last year?
And now he's stealing my camera.
Yeah, I like this lens.
If the camera goes missing, we know Brad took it. Color match.
I like that. Looks good.
Actually, looks better on his truck than it did on the Anylevel. The Lumineers are super easy. Honestly, I understand why everybody builds them. There's 4 bolts to hold on everything. And they're smart. They're not like Dodge where it has like 17 different sizes, all 10 millimeters. Wow.
Ta-da. I like it. Looks good.
Still needs more paint match.
Yeah.
But,
It needs
you
the
know,
valence paint match.
We're just gonna slowly get him to paint match everything. He didn't want to paint match literally any of it. He was like, the headlights are perfectly fine. Sick. Oh yeah, that was way better.
Much better.
Black plastic pieces and keep his little chrome. Obviously, he doesn't keep anything stock. He put like little suede all over the interior. The day after he sat in my Lamborghini. He's like, hold on, I got a huge bass. You catch anything? A bunch of small ones? 20 small ones? Actually? There's a big one in there somewhere.
Special lure couple.
Yeah? Did you order one?
I did. Actually, it looks nice.
It does look nice. Yeah, you gotta look
You
up
got
close.
yours, too.
Yeah, and taillights.
Now we better get that chrome bumper off.
You want to take the chrome bumper off now?
Oh, now might as well. It looks nice like that.
It does. A million times better. Looks like a whole new truck. Come look at the taillights. They look way better on your truck than mine. Not too shabby.
You were right. The chrome don't look good now.
So I told you. We did it. He wants all color match parts now. I didn't wash it though, so you gotta do that. We'll call the detail. It's okay. My stuff needs to be washed too. Glad you like it. I know, the mirrors are awesome. All right, it's literally perfect now, but it looks almost wrong not having all color match. So all these black pieces. Do you want the badge color match too? That'd be cool. Take off the blue, color match all that. All the plastic pieces on the bumper, and then keep all the chrome, and then your truck will be done. And smoked cab lights, color match the rear, and then twin turbos.
No twin turbos.
No twin turbos?
Just deleted.
Just deleted. I mean, the exhaust is gonna fall off. He's gonna hit a bump. Alright guys, we got a huge change for the Anylevel. It's super insane. You guys are gonna love it. Where the fuck did everything go?
Like this, he'll give Grandpa something to do when he gets home.
Huh?
Dude, like this, he'll give him something to do when he gets home.
Fuck no. I don't say shit.
You struggling?
Ah, fuck me. Yeah.
And he's like, I'm gonna go see what Gabe's doing. I was like, it's taking a shit.
Almost. Tell him it's totaled. Just go outside. It's totaled.